Hello guys, welcome to Trading Home, and today I'll be showing you guys something very interesting. Okay, something very interesting. Um, let's say you've opened your Archicad file, okay, and you want to draw, but you can't find the drawing tools. Okay, some of you have not experienced this, and some already experienced this, while some are going to still experience this someday. So it's better you know how to rectify it before that day will come. So you don't start running around trying to find out how to do it. Okay, so it's better you know it now. Okay. So let's say you can't find your tools, you can't find your drawing tools, and you can't find your navigation tool. Alright? So how do you work on these things now for like the fastest way of doing it? Instead of you coming to click and trying to drag it because it will still go back. Alright, it will still go back. So let's say you want to do it once and for all. Okay, so let me show you the simple step. All right, so first thing you need to do is click on option. Once you click on option, move your cursor down all the way to work environment. Okay, from work environment, slide it to this other side, move it to this apply profile. Right, apply profile. Then you see some options. You see CI2 profile, this MEP engineering base and the rest, but there's one here which is architectural profile. Okay, this 25 you're seeing is based on the version of the Archicad you're using. If it's 22, you're going to see architectural profile 22. If you're using version 24, it depends on that particular version. That's what we're writing here. So this 25 is just a default number based on the version of the Archicad I'm using. Okay, so let's click on this architectural profile 25. If it's yours, if you're using version 24, you see architectural profile 24. So once you click on this architectural profile 24, this is where everything will just reset itself. Okay, everything will reset. So you can see our navigation tools are intact and our drawing tools are intact. So this is the simple way of doing it. Okay, all right, it's the simplest way of doing it. So thank you for your time, and if you find the video helpful, please do well to subscribe. Okay, and don't forget to hit the like button. Okay, share for us to reach out to other persons also who are interested in learning Archicad. All right, thank you once again for your time. See you on our next tutorial.